Hi guys, today let's learn how to do the Jade Gua Sha massage. Jade is the stone of eternal youth. Gua Sha in Chinese helps in sculpting your jaw, your cheeks, your nose, and also helps in healthier glowing skin. You must always use the Gua Sha with the facial oil and disinfect the tool with the cleaning spray provided to you. Let's start on how to use. We start by sanitizing or disinfecting the tool because your own facial bacteria can cause an acne mark the next time you use it, which is something we do not want. We apply the oil all over the face. Take some oil in your hands, activate the ingredients and apply them in a tapping L or signature HOB massage style with a drainage. Now you take your tool, start with the indented side, hold 2 fingers to support your skin and massage your jawline upward. Try to keep the tool as flat onto your face as possible. If you do come midway where your masseter muscle is और अगर आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी pain feel हो रही है, stop the tool and do a circular massage, 3 circles clockwise, 3 circles anti-clockwise. This time, take that facial muscle tension, go all the way above your ear and down your neck, draining any lymphatic fluid, muscle stress that tends to get accumulated. Along your nasolabial, smile or expression line, keep the Gua Sha as flat as possible and give yourself a face lifting massage like this. 3 to 6 strokes, end with a final twist along your hairline. This helps in building muscle memory. Let's use the indented side of the Gua Sha, place it for the perfect cheek sculpting and twisting. Again, do this 3 to 6 times. For under eye water drainage, place the tool as flat as possible on your under eye. Swipe, lift and drain. If you still feel that you have stubborn under eye puffiness, use this pointed side of the Gua Sha and do an 8 massage along your eyes. This will ensure that any excess lymphatic fluid is broken and end with a final swipe, lift and drain. Use this side of the Gua Sha for a 3rd eye press. The indented side for an acupressure press. Lift and tuck. Lift and tuck. We also use the indented side of the Gua Sha to sculpt our eyebrow muscle, twisting it and moving it into a hairline, building that muscle memory. Once you've done that, you could also press the S-shaped points along the ear for complete muscle stress relaxation and drainage. Use the indented side of the Gua Sha with firm pressure on the sides of your neck downwards, once upwards and then only downwards with medium pressure on the center of your neck till your collarbone and only downwards on the side of your neck. For your forehead, you use the larger side of the Gua Sha, swiping across all the way down. Use this 3 times a week, no more. It's a strong sculpting, toning, lymphatic drainage massage. Happy pampering!